Hi guys, and welcome to our IUP Punxsutawney campus. My name is Devin. I'm from Beaver County.
My name is Rebecca. I'm from Allentown, and today we're going to be taking you on a tour of our Punxsutawney Living and Learning Center. When you arrive at the Living and Learning Center, you will see two large connected buildings. One is a learning center and the other is a living center. Our tour will be focused on the living center. Parking is free here, and students will park in the large lots in front of the living center.
Here at the Living Center, you will need your iCard to access the building. Only students who live on campus will have access to the building.
The Living Center consists of 3 floors, and all residents have a mailbox. The Living Center also has several people here to help you, including RAs that are responsible for working with students to help you with anything you may need, including getting locked out of your room.
Here's a floor plan to give you an idea of what most common suites look like. Each suite consists of a common area, a kitchenette, 4 separate private bedrooms, and 2 shared bathrooms. Here in the common area of your suite, you will find a sofa, an armchair, an end table, a coffee table, and a bookshelf. Each suite is equipped with Wi-Fi access and cable TV. Each kitchenette is equipped with a full-size refrigerator, a microwave, and plenty of storage space for any food that you will have.
Each bedroom has a separate key for the suite door for privacy. Furniture includes a bed, a desk, dresser, and a chair. Beds are also easily adjustable for storage underneath. There is also a nice sized closet for all your clothes and uniforms. You will share a bathroom with one other person, and there is plenty of storage space for each of you. You are responsible for cleaning your own suite and bathroom.
One of my favorite things here on campus is our activities room. You can come down here to play pool, foosball, ping pong, or one of my favorites is to work out.
One of my favorite things about living on campus is all the friends you make and how quickly you feel like you belong, considering you're with people who have the same interests as you do.
All right, guys, thank you for joining us on our Living and Learning Center tour.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.